So I'm Vanessa Laurie, I'm the PR director for French company Parrot, and today we are at CES Unveiled to introduce a new project of a flying wing. So the name is the Parrot Disco. So it is the first easy-to-fly flying wing that you pilot with a sky controller, which is our RC-like remote control, but you will be also able to pilot the Parrot Disco with any RC remote control. So it's a very easy to fly, no piloting skill are required to fly the Parrot Disco. It's a neutralized flying wing, less than 700 grams, and with an embedded camera, with a fisheye lens. And really the idea of this product is to enable you to feel like a bird, to fly with the bird and to feel like a bird.
When will it be available?
It will be available. Our objective is to have the Parrot Disco available this year, so 2016.